gardeners. Welcome back to school, 3rd and 4th grade. We are so excited to be back in the garden with you this year. This year, there will be a new garden lesson every month. This month, the subjects are the growing seasons of our Oklahoma garden and using the weather station. When you come out to the garden, you will get to have a lesson with me, Miss Sarah. Then you will also get to come out with your teacher and do your own garden walk together. You will have a chance to use your garden journal and do special activities in the garden. This month, on your first visit, we are going to spend some time walking through the garden and seeing what is growing. As we do that, I want you to pay special attention to the crops you see. I am going to ask you what these current crops have in common. Next, we are going to ponder some very important questions for us gardeners. What is going to happen in the garden after it gets cold? Will we be able to grow anything? If so, what would that be? Do you know which crops like to grow in the garden during the different seasons of the year? All these questions might just get us thinking about the seasons, climate, and weather. Remember last spring when the weather station arrived? Well, this weather station is going to come in handy as we figure out exactly what the terms weather and climate mean. During this month, you are going to start really tracking our weather using the mini instruments of the weather station. And by the end of the month, you will be able to give your own weather reports. So stay tuned, and I can't wait to see you out in the garden soon. Bulldog gardeners, let's check out what's going on at our weather station today. First thing I notice, I can tell it's pretty windy because I can see our windsock blowing here. Got a nice stiff wind. I can also tell it's windy because our anemometer is going pretty quickly. We could stop and count the red circle as it went around and see exactly how fast the wind is going. Our thermometers tell us it's a nice summer day with our temperature. Our rain gauge is pretty full because it's been raining a lot. It's up to 4. So we can take our measurements, and once we're done, we'll go ahead and empty this out and see if we get any more rain today. We're in a little bit of a rainy weather pattern. Go ahead and write some of my observations here at our meteorology station. Then I notice our barometer. I can take this and check our current reading, and I'll have to check over the next few days and see if the barometer is telling us it might be rainy or sunny coming up. You measure the change there.